Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Let's continue our manual clamp, and today in part design let's make our clamp T. Let's click on OK. Now let's select our YZ plane, and on this plane we can sketch a centered rectangle. Let's use the origin as a center point, and we can fix this distance here. Let's say 14.6 millimeters, and we can select this and let's say 14.6 millimeters. Okay, we can extrude this element, and we can use our pad and 7.5 millimeter with mirror extend, and let's click on OK. Now we can select this surface here, and on this surface we can sketch a point, and we want coincidence between this point and our horizontal axis, and we want coincidence between this and this coincidence, and click on OK. And now we can exit Workbench and we can click on hole. We want a hole on this surface here. Let's select this diameter, let's say 6 millimeters, and as extension we can say up to next. And to make our positioning we can click on sketch and we can select coincidence between these different points. Let's click on coincidence and OK, and exit, and let's click on OK. Now we can select this plane and we can add a second plane, and this distance we can say 13 millimeters, and let's click on OK. And on this plane we can sketch a circle. OK, and we want coincidence between this and this, and we want coincidence between this and this, and OK. Let's fix this diameter, let's say 8 millimeters. We can extrude this element, and as reference we can say up to surface, and we can select this surface as reference, and we can click on OK. We can add this plane, we can select our plane, and with right click hide. We want to sketch something on this surface, so let's click this surface. We can project this circle here, and we can add a second circle. We want concentricity between this and this, and we can fix this radius, let's say its diameter 6 millimeters. Exit Workbench. OK. And now we can click on pocket, but we want pocket with two different limits. Let's select our first depth, let's say -3, and at second we can say 2. OK. As a selection we can select our sketch, and we can reverse the direction. Let's click on preview and OK. And now we can select our whole part body. We can click on mirror, and we can use our Z x-axis as reference, and we can obtain our clamp T, as you can see. So we can add the chamfer. We can select this surface 1 millimeters, preview, to match, let's say 0.5. OK. Yes, 0.5, and we can select this and we can say OK. We can add the chamfer even on this edge here. This, and this. And let's click on OK. As always, we can add our 3 different plane, hide this plane, and as you can see here, we've got this sketch here. We can add this sketch, and we want to color that in with a different color. So let's select our body and select I don't know, we can select this metal blue, and we can select our part body, apply material, and let's click on OK. File, let's save our element. We can say clamp T, save, and here we are. As always, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share, and so on. See you soon.